Hey there! Today I'm going to show off my plant store e-commerce project. I've just fully completed. I'm really excited. I've been working on this for a while and I'm happy to finally show it off. So let's just dive right in. As you can see at the top, the nav bar, I have my logo, some navigation links, and a functioning cart icon. If I make the screen smaller, the navigation links will change to a hamburger icon. If you click on the hamburger icon, there'll be a menu that shows up with navigation links as well as an X button. You can just close out of that at any time. Go back to full screen, scroll down, just a banner image as well as some text and a shop now button. This is the featured product section with an add to cart and view product button. You can add this to your cart. So if I click on add to cart, you can see it's updating live with a value at the top right of the cart icon with a value of 1. If I click on it again, it'll go up to 2. If I click on the view product section, it'll show you the product page with image slider. So if I click or if I press left and right arrow keys, it'll go accordingly. If I click on the arrow button as well, it'll still work in the same way. And here's the description, an add to cart, back to home button, and here's the footer. This is also a functioning review component where if I hover over my mouse over these stars, you can see they'll light up appropriately. If I click on a star, it'll stay. So I clicked on 3, it's a 3-star rating. I can type in any amount of text. We'll just say test 1, I submit review. It'll appear right below the review component. So we'll just do a couple reviews. And as you can see, the reviews are appearing here with the appropriate star rating that I selected for that review. If I make the screen smaller, it still looks just as good, as you can see. And so we'll go back to the home, clicking our logo here. Here's our favorite section. So if I click on any one of these products, there will be a new product page with a different product. So I'm using one product page component that's dynamically taking in multiple products into one reusable component. This is known as dynamic rendering and dynamic routing. And I can add this to cart if I want to. I'll go back to home. We'll just add a few more products to our cart, and you can see it's still updating live. This is a customer testimonial section. And here is some trust badges, and there's the footer again. By the way, if I make the screen smaller, my homepage still looks just as good as it does in full screen. And so now let's go check out the cart page. So if I click on the cart button, you'll see all the items that we just selected from our homepage, and the product pages will appear here. If I scroll down, you can see the subtotal with the checkout button. And there's the footer again. This also has quantity drop down menus, and also it'll update the price accordingly. So if I select Voodoo Rose, if I click on 5, the price will update to $149, as well as adding to the total down here below. And you can delete any of these as well. If I make the screen smaller, it still looks just as good. If I change the size of the screen, it'll update accordingly. So I'll just delete one of these, and you can see the subtotal is changing. And so, yes, that is my project. I hope you enjoyed it.